Hey there, fellow business warriors. It's Patrick here, founder of Upticks, and today we're gonna dive deep into the mysterious and powerful world of lead nurturing. Buckle up because we're about to reveal the truth behind the lies that you've been fed, and I'm gonna show you how to dominate lead nurturing campaigns with examples, strategy, and tips all included. So let's shake up the industry and expose the real way to turn leads into gold. If you don't know me yet, my name is Patrick Spielman, a 6-time growth award-winning franchise owner, 7-figure sales agency owner, and the founder of Upticks, the best sales software to win more customers and manage your pipeline. You've heard it before, lead nurturing is the key to sales success. But why should you even care about nurturing those leads? Here's the truth. 79% of marketing leads never convert into sales. That's because businesses completely ignore them. They treat them like second-class citizens, not realizing they're sitting on a gold mine. Lead nurturing is your ticket to unlocking that hidden treasure. It's the process of building relationships, trust, and rapport with your leads and converting them into lifelong customers. And let me tell you, if you're not nurturing your leads, you are leaving a boatload of money on the table. Speaking of money, you might be wondering just how much cash we're talking about here. Well, my friends, companies that excel at lead nurturing generate 50% more sales-ready leads at a 33% lower cost. In other words, you're getting more bang for your buck. Think about it. You're already spending time, money, and effort on attracting leads, so why not invest in making sure they actually become customers? You're not just going to double your chances of success, you're maximizing your ROI like a boss. Now you might be thinking, all right, you've convinced me, how do I start nurturing my leads? Fear not, my friends, I've got your back. But I can give you a million strategies. However, there's 2 nasty little lead nurturing problems sabotaging your strategy that I see with every single company. Stay tuned for both of them. Without knowing these 2 critical mistakes, your lead nurturing is totally worthless. Now, most people think, hey, great, I've got a 6-step lead nurture, and by the end of the week, I'm gonna have a new customer, right? Wrong, here's why. As I said, 79% of marketing leads never convert into sales. And companies that dominate lead nurturing generate 50% more sales-ready leads at a 33% lower cost. So what secret strategies are these companies using? The answer might totally shock you, but 1, they fix a hidden problem in their lead nurturing that most companies who fail completely ignore. More on that in a second. And 2, it may come as a surprise, but they do one other thing with their leads that almost nobody does. They keep nurturing them. See, most buyers are just window shopping when they find out about your company. There are 3 main stages of marketing, starting with awareness, then consideration, and then a decision. When someone becomes a lead, they're just becoming aware of a problem they need solved and just discovering your company. Most are nowhere close to making a buying decision. So making an assumption that they are ready to buy the second they give you their email or phone number is a big miscalculation. So after you nurture them initially, you have to keep nurturing them. And I'm gonna be giving you a 6-step nurturing campaign strategy in just a minute, but before I give you that quick fix dopamine rush, you need to know about sequence journeys. A sequence journey takes a lead from a campaign in your nurturing strategy to another one right after the initial nurturing ends. Example, let's say you opt into a lead magnet, you'll have a series of initial lead nurture emails, SMS messages, etc. But once those end, you want that lead to go into another pillar campaign automatically to keep nurturing them. Make sense? Okay, great. Now I said there was a hidden problem that kills conversions that no one pays attention to. Let's make sure that never happens to you. Look, email is a great tool for lead nurturing, but there's one crucial factor you can't overlook, and that's email deliverability. If your emails end up in the spam or promo folder or never even reach your leads' inboxes, your nurturing efforts are dead in the water. So how can you avoid these dreaded no man's land folders? Number 1, make sure all of your technical DNS records are set up right, MX records, SPF records, DKIM records, and your DMARC records. Number 2, your domain and email accounts need to have a good sending reputation built up. 3, your sending volume matters, and the speed which you send emails matters too. Email blasts are easy for email client providers to detect and push you into the promo folder. Number 4, reduce the amount of HTML in your emails. I'm talking designs, images, etc. All this adds up and the email clients immediately put you into the promo folder. And number 5, be mindful of the language that you use. Avoid spammy phrases, all caps, and excessive punctuation. And number 6, don't forget to include an easy way for your leads to unsubscribe. Nobody likes a clingy salesperson or marketer. Before you launch any lead nurturing campaign, make sure you take each and every one of these seriously, or you'll be doomed from the beginning. Now, I said that I'd give you a lead nurturing campaign strategy, and I always make good on my promises. Here's a simple yet effective 6-step email sequence framework that you can start implementing today. Step 1 is a welcome email. Right off the bat, thank your leads for signing up and set expectations from what they'll receive from you. The welcome email is your golden opportunity to make a killer first impression. Start by thanking your leads for joining your email list and let them know you appreciate their interest. Then set clear expectations about what they can expect from your emails. Will you send weekly newsletters, exclusive offers, educational content? Whatever it is, make sure they know the value that they're gonna get. Finally, add a personal touch by introducing yourself or your team so that your leads know there's a real person behind the screen. Step 2 is a value email. Share a piece of content like a blog post or a video that provides real value to your leads. Blow their minds with your expertise. With the value email, you want to establish yourself as an industry authority and make your leads think, wow, these guys really know their stuff. Address a common problem or a question your leads have. This not only showcases your expertise, but also provides real actionable insights your leads can use to improve their business. The goal here is to build trust and credibility by showing you're genuinely interested in helping them succeed. Step 3 is an engagement email. Ask a question to get your leads engaged and talking. Prove that you're not just another faceless company, you actually care about their opinions. The engagement email is all about starting a conversation with your leads. Instead of just talking at them, you actually want to talk with them. Ask a thought-provoking question that encourages them to share their thoughts, experiences, or even their feedback. This not only makes your leads feel valued and heard, but also gives you valuable insights to their needs and their challenges. By showing you're genuinely interested in what they have to say, you'll strengthen your relationship and set yourself apart from your competitors. And also there's a hidden benefit on this one. If your leads reply to your email, the email gods will favor you and you'll get better email deliverability. Step 4 is a testimonial email. Social proof is powerful. Share a success story from one of your happy customers to show your leads that you deliver results. People love hearing about success stories and your leads are no exception. The testimonial email is your chance to demonstrate that you can deliver real, tangible results. Share a compelling case study or customer success story that highlights how your product or service has helped others achieve their goals. This not only provides social proof, but also shows your leads that you understand their pain points and have a proven track record of solving them. Make sure to include quotes, images, or even videos from your happy customers to make the testimonial even more powerful and authentic. Number 5 is the soft sell email. Gently introduce your product or service, focusing on the benefits it provides. Be subtle, don't come off as pushy or even desperate. Focus on the benefits it provides rather than the features. And remember to be customer-centric in your approach. Explain how your product or service can help them solve your leads' problems or improve their lives. You can also mention some unique selling points or competitive advantages that your product has over others in the market. The goal here is to plant the seed of interest without coming across desperate or aggressive. And number 6 is the hard sell email. Go for the close, offering a special deal or incentive to encourage your leads to take action now. The hard sell email is your final push to convert your leads who are ready to buy now into customers. This is where you can make a compelling offer or incentive that encourages them to take action immediately. You can offer a limited time discount, exclusive bonus, or other special deals that create a sense of urgency. Be direct and assertive in your call to action, but still maintain a tone of confidence and, of course, professionalism. Remind your leads of the benefits they'll receive and the value they'll get from your product or service. And most importantly, make it easy for them to take the next step, whether it's booking a call, making a purchase, or signing them up for a demo. Now that's the 6-step nurture sequence, but remember, you want to keep nurturing your prospects because only a fraction of them will convert right away. The rest will take some work. Speaking of work, I know that sounds like a lot, but fear not, I have a special secret for you. Upticks made it easy to write this entire sequence of emails in literally a few seconds using AI. And unlike your copy and paste templates, the emails get written on the basis of your target persona, which helps explode your conversion rates. Check out the link in the description for more information on how one of our products, UpChat, helps you do this in a breeze. UpChat is just one piece to the puzzle. Upticks is a sales automation CRM that will help you automate the entire lead nurturing process with sequence journeys and complete copywriting. It's so powerful that you can create custom personalized email sequences, SMS sequences, and nurturing your leads without lifting a finger. It's like having a team of sales and marketing ninjas working for you 24/7. With Upticks, you can easily design, test, and optimize your email sequences to make sure they're hitting the mark. Plus, our platform is built for scale, so you can focus on growing your business without worrying about the nitty-gritty details of lead nurturing. And that, my friends, is how you unleash the power of lead nurturing to dominate your industry and skyrocket your sales. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, it's time to join the Upticks revolution. Try us out today and experience the unparalleled power of automated lead nurturing. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more groundbreaking sales and marketing strategies, plus industry secrets. This is Patrick, founder of Upticks, signing off. Until next time, keep nurturing those leads, and remember, fortune favors the bold.